Hi, I'm Chris from Discover eLearning, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create an animated handwriting effect for your e-learning content using just Articulate Storyline and PowerPoint. To begin, I've loaded my background image from Storyline onto my slide in PowerPoint and locked this in place. We'll then come up to the Draw tab along the top menu, and if you don't have access to this, just right click anywhere along the row and click Customize the ribbon. Here you can make sure that the main tab ribbon is selected and then activate the Draw tab by clicking in this box if unchecked. The Draw tool in PowerPoint provides a number of different pen options which can be used with a touchscreen stylus or a mouse. Selecting the pen provides a variety of colours as well as a few special effects brushes like this Space Galaxy effect which I'm going to be using. Start to draw onto the slide, and you can make this be some handwriting, which hopefully yours is neater than mine, or some hand-drawn shapes. Once you are done, click on the Ink Replay button and you will see that PowerPoint has saved how you drew your content in order to play this back as an animated sequence. We can now customize the speed of our animation for any of the drawn elements by opening the Animation tab and applying the Replay Start Transition to each object. Open up the animation pane and right click on each layer in order to select Start after Previous, which will make sure each object finishes animating before the next one starts. Once you are happy, unlock the background image in order to delete it, and now click on File menu and choose Export and then choose Create an Animated GIF. I'm going to set my export size to large as my project size in Storyline will be 720p. Make sure to click the transparent background option, extend the animation length if needed, and then click the Create GIF button. Once your file is ready, you will notice when opening it up that the animation infinitely loops. You may instead only want the animation to play once, and there are a few ways that we can change this. One of the quickest methods is to navigate to easygif.com. When the site is loaded, click on the split option and upload the file. When you see the animation on screen, go ahead and look directly beneath and you should see a Split to Frames button. Make sure that Redraw Every Frame is selected before clicking. All of the frames from your animation will display running down the page. At either the top or the bottom of this list you will find a button labelled Edit Animation. Go ahead and click this. The last step on this screen is to scroll down to the selection labelled GIF options and enter the value of 1 into the loop counter box before then clicking the Make a GIF button. You'll now see your animation play on screen, but this time only once. Go ahead and click the Save button in order to download a copy of this new GIF file to your computer. Now we're ready to load up Storyline, and I've gone ahead and inserted both my background image and my animated GIF file onto the slide. Let's click the preview button and see the result. Creating a transparent background for any hand-drawn object that you've created in PowerPoint is most ideal because it means that you can easily reuse it in other projects. Such as, for example, if I wanted to switch out the background of my slide for something completely new from the Content 360 library. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. Be sure to like this video if you've learned something new, and you will also find lots more tips and tricks to discover, especially for Articulate Storyline 360 developers, right here on the Discover eLearning YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.